Welcome to your dreamy, freshly renovated 3-bedroom beach cottage, tucked away on a tranquil cul-de-sac in Kitty Hawk. Enter from the generous carport into a flexible bonus space, perfect for home office, cozy den, or whatever your lifestyle calls for. Ascend to the main living area where new luxury vinyl plank flooring and sunlight streaming through brand new windows create a warm, inviting coastal atmosphere from the moment you arrive. The heart of the home unfolds into a beautifully updated kitchen featuring new cabinetry and stunning quartz countertops. Down the hall, the primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with its own ensuite bath, thoughtfully updated with modern fixtures and a luxurious new shower. 2 additional guest bedrooms provide accommodations for family or visitors, sharing an updated full bath that completes the well-designed layout. Step outside to your new 10x10 deck, overlooking a private wooded backyard, perfect for morning coffee, evening gatherings, or simply unwinding in nature. Set high in the wooded dunes in Kitty Hawk, you're just minutes from the beach, sound-side pedestrian paths, local shops, and great dining. Perfect as a primary residence or a strong investment in a thriving rental market, this low-maintenance cottage offers the ideal blend of relaxation, adventure, and coastal charm. Don't miss the chance to call this beautiful beach retreat your home. For more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Or if you'd like to set up a private tour, please give us a call. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.